Here's how to sample on FL Studio. As always, let's just jump straight in. First, find a sample. There's plenty on YouTube. This sample has a tempo of 130 beats per minute, so let's set that as the project tempo and turn stretch mode onto stretch. This is key to making sure the sample is on beat. Let's speed this up to 180 BPM, which is great for hip hop. And here you can see we can chop any part of the track. This is an example of parts of the track which sound completely different. Use the slice tool to chop up parts of the sample. Make sure a snap to grid is on. I personally like a quarter beat. Now let's play around with the pitch of the sample. I've pitched this up 6 semitones. Taking plenty of different chops prevents our track from sounding dull and repetitive. Remember, we want our track to keep our audience's attention. Assign the sample to a mixer track and add effects. RC20 is great for an old vinyl effect, and this half speed preset on gross beat is great too. Listen to how it slows the sample down to leave room for vocals. Then all that's left is to add drums. You can add your own, or you can sample them. And that's how you sample. The full beat Old Days is out now on all platforms. Make sure to check it out using the link in the description. And as always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe for more.